हेलो एंड हाय एवरीवन। और जितने लोग अभी देखेंगे या देखने वाले हैं उनको बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। आज मेरे साथ अंजुम है। शी इज़ बेस्ड आउट ऑफ कनाडा और शी इज़ माय बिजनेस पार्टनर। और मेरा नाम रीना सिंह धवन है। मैं एक मॉम हूँ, एक आईटी कंसल्टेंट हूँ और अभी एक मैंने बिजनेस ज्वाइन किया है जो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है, बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। और इसके बारे में हम अपनी गो लाइफ में बताएंगे कि ये बिजनेस क्या है, कैसे करते हैं, थोड़े बहुत डिटेल्स हम शेयर करेंगे। लेकिन उसके पहले मैं अंजुम से बोलूँगी वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे और अभी तक की वो जर्नी शेयर करे, क्योंकि उनका कुछ एक्सपीरियंस ऑलरेडी हो चुका है यहाँ पे।
जी।
अंजुम, ऑल योर्स।
Thank you so much, Reena, for inviting me on your page. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And so again, मेरा introduction से मैं शुरुआत करती हूँ कि always go with my um, you know my introduction with the likes, right? So hello and assalamualaikum everybody. This is Anjum Nawab from Calgary, Canada, and मैं एक stay home mom हूँ. I have 3 kids, alhamdulillah. And basically, I come from India. I come from the southern state of Tamil Nadu. My husband is from Bangalore. So I have been in both the states. I have juggled up in both the states. I have been in US. We moved to US. I was there for 7 to 7.5 years in US as well. फिर जो है हमने कैलगरी मूव किया हुआ है. I moved to Calgary in 2020. And yeah, I joined the business in 2022 of September. So it's almost close to 2 years now. September जब 2004 में मेरे 2 साल complete हो जाएंगे. इस बिज़नेस के इस बिज़नेस के हवाले से एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह द बिज़नेस हैज़ बीन ग्रेट. It's been a very very rewarding journey. I have learned so much from the days I have spent in my business, from my wins, from my mistakes. I would just say it's been a fantastic journey of growth, both personally, both and financially as well. एंड रही बात मेरी बिजनेस जर्नी की जो आपने Rina has asked. Well, I would just say that when I started the business, I had no idea, no clue as to how capable I would be, right? When you start a new venture, all you do is to put your trust in it. You see the people doing the business and you jump in the business because you resonate with them, you resonate with their situations, and you are impressed with this success, and you are sure that if you get started with this, you will become one of the leaders of that business community. So that's the same with me as well. When I got started with the business, I had no clue how I would perform, because I'm a stay home mom. So naturally, I had no idea, not much idea about the technical skills involved. I just had the basic skills, like, how to use the laptop, but not much deeper technical skills required for running an online business. I had zero experience with any kind of job, any kind of profession. And I'm always a homely kind of person, stay home mom. Everybody in our team is aware of that. Spent my days of marriage even in US. I had I had my son in India, and then we moved to US. In US, I had my second daughter. So when you move over to US, and it's kind of a challenging time, taking care of your kids all by yourself. In India, you've got so much of help, and so much of
Yes,
people all around you. But when you move over to other countries as an immigrant, they say that life looks more green on the other side, but we know
right,
how
true.
difficult it is, right? So I was always taking care. There are so many other things to take care in life, bachcho ke saath. And I was a very devoted mom, making sure that my kids have everything they require, and my time, my energy, everything. So I did not give it a thought कि कुछ कर सकते हैं and all stuff. So just stay home and looking after kids. And then there was a time, life has everything has two sides. A coin has two sides. So when I moved over to Canada and my kids, they grow up. I have a teenager, I have a 10-year-old, and my youngest one is a 3-year-old now. So, I had got some space, I got some time, and I thought, let's do something for ourselves. Let's make, more productive use of my time, which I have. My kids go to school, I'm completely free for around 2 to 3 hours. And I would spend them, क्या करूँ समझ नहीं आता, इंडिया कॉल्स हो जाते हैं, घर का काम खत्म हो जाता है. So you're just sitting there and
Right,
watching media. बस ऐसे टाइम मतलब ऐसे टाइम स्पेंड करते हो आप. There's no productivity, there's no discipline,
right.
there's no organized schedule in your in your day-to-day life. So that's what I was missing.
True.
And yeah, that's what I was missing. And henceforth I went forward, started to explore work from home opportunities. And by the grace of almighty, I found this online business. I saw my coach. I was impressed by the by how she carried herself, how she carried the business, how she took care of her business partners. And that's what inspired me. And I took my step of action. It was a very bold decision, because I didn't know if I could manage myself with a group of people, because I was not experienced even in speaking up with people outside my family, right? Being in a stay home mom for so much of I was all 14 years of my married life. I was just completely at my house taking care of my kids, no social life at all. So just we had friends, but that was not work related. It was just an hour or two. We would just meet up on a park or something, have some potlucks, and that nothing more than that. So it was a kind of very bold and a strong decision from my part. And I owned that decision. I put my heart and my soul in that decision. And here I am. I had my It's not that my ride in the business, my days have been smooth. I have seen ups, I have seen downs. I have seen days when I'm very very motivated. I have seen days when I am so dull, and I feel that nothing is working out as I planned. I have seen it all. And I know that anybody who gets started in the business will definitely experience it, but that's part of the business, right? You see ups and you see
Right.
downs, but your energy level should be the same and constant, with which I am working even today. Everybody out there
Right.
can relate to that. So that's it. We just keep myself I'm just trying to keep myself grounded. I'm keeping myself humbled and thankful to the almighty, and to my business team and the partners and everything, for allowing me to experience this milestone in the business journey, without any background, without any kind of major qualification, no certification, nothing of that sort. And that's what I tell everybody out there. If you have your mind and heart and you own a decision, मैंने कुछ देखा है and I trust it, just go for it. And do it with all your 100% energy, the positive energy. And definitely,
Right.
the almighty will carve your success out of it. Do not live in a delusion कि करना है कि नहीं करना है, कर दिया अब क्या होगा. All those things will not give you a good result. Even if you see a bad day, do not decide to quit on a bad day. You
Right.
stay yourself calm. Do whatever you feel you can to relax yourself. Meditate करना है, prayer करना है, कुछ भी कर लो, but calm yourself down and take a second look at that situation. And and then you will be in a much more wiser state to take a decision and go along the business journey. That's what I have done. That's what I have done, and that's what I would say everybody out there. The business is excellent. The business is definitely excellent. It's a proven business model. It's a proven structure. We have got people from different backgrounds, different cultures, different ethnicities. Achieving the goals and dreams. So if they can do it, definitely we all can do it. So that's what I would say to everybody out there. Brace yourself and be there with complete positivity, and you will be successful just like others. Yeah.
Very, very well said, and very well said. And moreover, इसी फ्लो में आपको मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन भी कहूँगी बिकॉज ऑफ यू अचीव्ड न्यू 4A माइलस्टोन.
Mhm.
बहुत लोगों को नहीं समझ में आएगा 4A क्या होता है, बट इस बिजनेस में एक वो अचीवमेंट है, एक वो स्टेज है, और
जी.
वो स्टेज पे आना मुश्किल भी होता है, बट होता है. और अंजुम
नामुमकिन
ने
नहीं
अभी
है. जी.
हाँ,
जी, it's
नामुमकिन
not
नहीं होता है.
हाँ, इम्पॉसिबल तो नहीं है.
और आप
Everybody can do
हाँ,
it. Yes.
राइट, और आपने वो स्टेज अभी अचीव किया, सो हर्टियस्ट
Thank you.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
Thank you,
वो
Ritu.
एक इंस्पिरेशन है मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए. थैंक यू
Thank you
सो
for the
मच.
honor. Yeah.
और इसी की फ्लो में अंजुम मैं एक और चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगी, जैसे कि मैंने भी स्टार्ट किया, ये बहुत लोग जैसे स्टार्ट
Hmm.
करते हैं, और हमें पता है ये ऑनलाइन, ये एरा डिजिटल वर्ल्ड का है, राइट?
Hmm.
जहाँ पे सारे लोग कुछ ना कुछ ऑनलाइन करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि ये सबसे एक सिंपलेस्ट वे है कि आप कहीं भी बैठ के कंफर्ट ऑफ योर होम या कहीं भी बैठ के आप बहुत आराम से कुछ कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आज सबके पास स्मार्टफ़ोन है, नेट सबके
बिल्कुल.
पास है। तो सब कुछ ना कुछ ना करते हैं। मतलब अगर देखा जाए सर्वे के अकॉर्डिंग मैक्सिमम जो टाइम है लोग अपने फ़ोन पे यूज़ करते हैं। तो जो यूज़ करते हैं बहुत चीज़ें आती हैं, तो वो कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहते हैं। जैसे मैं, जैसे आप या हमारे जैसे बहुत लोग हैं, पर हमें समझ में नहीं आता है कि हम क्या करें, कहाँ जाएँ?
जी
अगर
जी
अर्न
जी,
करना है तो कैसे करें? बहुत लोग खोजते हैं पर राइट चीज़ नहीं मिलता है। तो
बिल्कुल।
अगर हम ये बोले कि हमारा जो बिज़नेस है या जो हमारा प्लेटफ़ॉर्म है, वो सबसे बेहतर है, लेकिन लोगों को आप कैसे बताओगे या कैसे कन्विंस, तो नहीं, क्योंकि अपने आप में हमारा सिस्टम एक
बिल्कुल।
प्रूवन है, लेकिन एक बताना होता है, एक अवेयरनेस होता है।
जी,
तो आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे व्यूअर्स को कि वो हमारा बिजनेस क्यों बहुत ही
क्यों?
अच्छा है?
एब्सोल्युटली, इट्स अ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल क्वेश्चन रीना कि अभी जो गो लाइफ चैलेंज हुआ था उसमें भी ये सवाल
हाँ,
मेरी कोच ने
हाँ,
डाला था कि व्हाई डू यू थिंक आवर ऑनलाइन बिजनेस इज द बेस्ट आउट देयर एंड व्हिच फीचर ऑफ आवर ऑनलाइन बिजनेस इज द वन व्हिच यू एडमायर द मोस्ट, तो आई वुड अगेन रिपीट द सेम आंसर कि सी, of course, as you said, this is a digital era, right? Everything has moved online. You can do shopping, you can do banking, then naturally you
हुँ,
also can earn online.
हुँ,
Now, when you start to look over the idea of earning online, definitely you are bombarded with a lot of options. कहीं पर एल
हुँ,
एम एल
हुँ,
है, कहीं आजकल तो कई लोग तो रिव्यूज पूछते हैं, राइट? कुछ प्रोडक्ट के
हुँ,
रिव्यूज
हुँ,
व्हाट्सएप में आते हैं, so there are a
हुँ,
lot of scams out there, a lot of people, because देखो,
यस,
everyone wants to earn online and there are people
हुँ,
who take benefit from other people.
हुँ, हुँ,
मतलब
हुँ,
खुराफाती दिमाग होता है, they end up doing scams, and naturally when people are in such an urgent urge to earn income, they fall prey to this false scams and false investment opportunities, ये सोच कर कि हमारे पास और income आएगा, but eventually they lose up everything, right? So you are going to be bombarded with a lot of options, but what is your responsibility is to find the best option out there, क्योंकि scams तो है, but in scams में भी
हुँ,
there is a genuine opportunity which you cannot brand it as a scam, right? क्योंकि आपको scam हो
राइट,
गया
राइट,
doesn't mean that a genuine opportunity is a scam. So it's your responsibility to educate yourself, and before you go ahead with any other step, make sure that it is completely legal, completely
राइट,
tax जो है पे करते हैं कि नहीं, do your research before you believe anybody, do your research. So in that, coming over to that that part of our conversation, I would like to introduce our business opportunity, what it
हुँ,
does, how is it different. So, like, जो हम करते हैं, what we do is to we help people to earn online, right? Anybody
राइट,
who wants to earn online, we provide everything one requires to earn online. Now, in order to set up your online business, you require some kind of elements and some features and some ingredients, you can say. For an online business, you need some components to get started. मतलब online business करना है तो how will you do it? You need something back end में, वेबसाइट चाहिए आपको, आपको जो है एफिलिएट कंपनी चाहिए, एफिलिएट प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए. You need training because
हुँ,
majority of us are unaware how to run an online business. You don't know how to set up your business on Facebook,
राइट,
how to set it up on YouTube. आपको नहीं पता, मुझे भी नहीं पता था, and nobody,
हुँ,
majority,
राइट,
99.99% of the people who look to earn online are unaware of that. So that training is required. Plus, you require the mentorship.
राइट,
The people who are successful in the business, you need their what I would say, you need their guidance to move forward, right? You need their help, you need their assistance to move forward, and that's when we come into action. So we provide you this package, we provide you all these elements, we provide you the companies, we provide you the products, we provide you the investment, we provide you the best investment options, we provide you the amazing commission structures and the
हुँ,
training and the mentorship
राइट,
support and the technical infrastructure for your business to set up, to launch and successfully run. So we provide
हुँ,
you with everything you require, A to Z. Whatever you require, we provide. You do not have to go outside and Google. You do not have to go outside and ask people कि अब आगे क्या करना है, because you are surrounded with
राइट,
leaders. You are surrounded with people who already walked the path which you're going to walk now, right? They're already successful, right? So you have
यस,
everything out there. So we provide you the package कि आपको earn करना है. We provide you everything. You get into the package, you plug into the package, and there you are launched online, right? You download some systems, you get started with your website, you have the products in place, and we teach you what to do, and your only goal and only responsibility is to market the package which you plugged in the first place. The same package you will market on the social media platforms, which in turn is that you will
Right.
provide the online earning this opportunity to others who require, matlab, who are in search of online
Hmm.
earning. You're going to provide this package to them. That's what is your responsibility. And again, for that we provide you complete training. You do not have to have any kind of certification, any kind of experience. हम आपको बताएंगे, हम आपको गाइड करेंगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप ट्रेनिंग. We will, help you, guide you, and monitor your work, and make sure that you are successful, right? So that's what,
Right. Right.
our business opportunity does. And
Right.
yeah, that's it. We provide you an online business opportunity, you plug into the package, and you again provide the same, carry forward the same to others on the social media platform with complete guidance from the people who are successful in the community. So that's
Right.
what we
Right. Thank you so much. You have answered this so simply. ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत आराम से एकदम flow में. It's very nicely said. Very
actually,
nicely said.
yes, it's actually a very very kind of a easy and a simple concept. आपको ऑनलाइन अर्न करना है, हम आपको सब कुछ प्रोवाइड कर देंगे, so that you do
Right.
not
Right.
stress, you do not waste your time, you do
Yes.
not waste your energy in finding the perfect balance of that product. क्योंकि देखो, products चाहिए
Right.
which give you high commission. आप
Hmm.
ढूंढने निकलोगे तो it's going to take a toll on your health, on your
Right.
time, on your money. So we do the hard work, we provide you the package, एंड आपका
True.
इतना ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि आप उस पैकेज को मार्केट करोगे. We do the marketing of the package on the social media,
Hmm.
and we will teach you how you can do it. What are the ways to do it? We teach you. As simple as that.
True. Very nicely said. Very nicely. इसके अलावा आई मीन जो सेकंड मेजर क्वेश्चंस जो सब पूछते हैं, मैंने भी पूछा, आप भी पूछते हो, लेकिन सबका अपना एक तरीका होता है कि क्या इसमें कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट है? जैसे मैं अगर जवाब देती हूँ, जैसे मेरे से कुछ पूछते हैं, तो मैं ये बोलती हूँ आज के डेट में फ्री लंचेस कहाँ मिलता है? टेल मी वन प्लेस, या कौन-सा ऐसा बिज़नेस है जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आता है?
बिल्कुल,
अब कुछ
बिल्कुल.
तो आप जॉब भी करने जाते हो, तो आप
जी,
अपना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करते हो, तो आपको मनी मिलता है, राइट? और जो टाइम आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो, जो स्किल सेट आपने अपना एक्वायर किया है, जो पढ़े, उस पढ़ाई में आपने कितना इन्वेस्ट किया है,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
राइट? तो इतने इन्वेस्टमेंट के बाद आप एक लायक इंसान बनते हो, फिर जॉब करने जाते हो, वो एकदम स्ट्रेसफुल होता है। तो आप ऐसे कैसे सोच लेते हो कि ये जो बिज़नेस होगा वो मुझे मतलब लाइक
फ्री में
फ्री में
मिल
मिल
जाए.
जाए या कोई कॉस्ट ना हो? तो मतलब इतना समझाने के बाद भी ना लोगों को लगता है कि ओके ठीक है, मतलब लाइक एज़ इफ लाइक वी हैव टेकन लाइफ फ्रॉम देम। तो इस चीज़ को आप कैसे बैलेंस करते हो? मतलब कैसे लोगों को कन्विंस करते हो इन्वेस्टमेंट के टर्म्स में? ये पैसा ऐसी
Uh,
चीज़ है ना,
when
निकालना बड़ा
I
मुश्किल होता है।
see, when I speak out, when I talk on my page, I make it very very clear कि ये एक business opportunity है. ये कोई job opportunity
हुँ,
नहीं है जहाँ पर आपको इतने इतने
हाँ,
hours के काम पर इतना minimum pay मिलेगा, इतना minimum wage मिलेगा. No, I never promote that kind of
राइट,
news. I always make it a point to tell कि ये जो है business opportunity है, ये job नहीं है. And business
राइट,
itself implies that there is an investment. Okay, business में investment है, and similarly हमारे business में भी there is an investment. Undoubtedly there is an investment. So when you look at the business opportunity, keep it in your mind that हाँ, मुझे कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट
हुँ,
करना ही है. But the good news is
राइट,
that,
राइट,
जी, but the good news is that we have got a webinar which is completely free of cost. ठीक है, आपको वहां पर कुछ पैसे नहीं लगाने हैं, आपको completely free of webinar देखना है, free of cost webinar देख सकते हो आप. And then there is a payment of 149 USD, which
हुँ,
will which is called as the trial period. जब आप एक 149 USD पे करते हो, you enter into a trial period wherein you get complete information about our business companies, जो affiliated companies है, जो products है, commission कैसा flow होता है, and the investment involved. ठीक है, तो you have 30 days of time to research and know more about our business model. तो जब आप 149 पे
राइट,
करते हो, तो you get access to all the pre-coaching video series and our private business community group. So you got 30 days to explore and find out if this business is a good fit for you or not. तो जब आप इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात आती है तो आई वुड ऑलवेज से कि जो 149 है उसको ले लो, बिकॉज इट इज रिफंडेबल. अगर आपको बिजनेस में आगे
Yes.
नहीं बढ़ना, this 149 is going to be refunded without any dedications. So you have
Right.
complete 30 days to watch the pre-coaching video series, get connected in our private business community, and look at the people, how they are making money, how they are earning, their background, their stories. You can ask your questions and see if it is a good fit for you or not. Suppose
Right.
आपका, if you, for any reason, if you feel कि ये business आपके लिए सही नहीं है, go ahead and ask for a refund. No one is going to, pressurize you or push you into go and get started with the business. Nobody is going to do that. We always respect your decision. So agar if you feel like backing off, you are respected, and आपका जो 149 USD है, within 2 to 5 business days it will be transferred to you without any deductions. And at this point, I also want to, stress that the investment in our business is very, very minimal. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको, मतलब hundreds and thousands आपको जो है thousands of dollars, जैसे 50,000 60,000, अगर आपको minimum एक offline business start करनी है, it's not going to be lesser than 60 to 70,000. USD में बोल रही हूँ, जो बेसिक है. But in our business, in our business, it's not going to be so skyrocketing rates. The investment is very, very minimal. आप आकर चेक कर
Right.
सकते हो. The way it is framed, you've got a lot of options for you to start up. तो आकर देखो, एक्सप्लोर करो, see how it can benefit you. क्योंकि if you stay behind with the fact कि मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट है, मुझे नहीं करना, then you're not going to go ahead in your, in your life. आप बस अपना जॉब करोगे, एंड विद दैट मिनिमम वेज यू कीप वर्किंग फॉर 10 years 20 years, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव योर लाइफ. अगर आपको, इफ यू वांट टू अर्न पैसिव इनकम, इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इन दिस एरा, इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू टू हैव अ बिजनेस, ऑन योर साइड. करो, आप जॉब करना चाहते हो, डेफिनेटली डू इट, बट हैव अ बिजनेस ऑन द साइड which is,
Right.
like a safety net. You never know, the
Right.
world, today's world is
Yes.
full of scams, full of, this layoffs, full of the
Yes.
inflation is at its peak. तो आपको चाहिए कि आप एक business side में रखो. So this is the best business opportunity. To come in,
Exactly.
explore.
Very
There
well
is
said.
investment, but it is very minimal and it will definitely suit your budget. So you can
Right.
come in
Right.
and explore.
राइट. जो मैंने जब ये किया था और जो मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, ये अपना एक्सपीरियंस में बता रही हूँ.
जी.
एंड जो मैंने रिसर्च किया और जो मैंने कैलकुलेट किया, उससे मैंने यही देखा कि जो मैं अभी इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, क्योंकि इसके बेसिस में आने वाले फ्यूचर में जो मैं अर्न करूँगी उसका तो कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल,
और
बिल्कुल.
जब आई वाज एक्चुअली प्लग्ड इन इनटू द सिस्टम, और मैंने लोगों को जब देखना किया कि आई मीन लाइक इतनी सारे, आई मीन लाइक अभी हमारे टीम में ऑलमोस्ट 200,000 से ज़्यादा लोग ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं.
बिल्कुल,
एंड द
बिल्कुल.
वे दे आर अर्निंग, मैं मेरे लिए तो एक मोटिवेशन है डेली सुबह उठ के एक बार चेक करना है किसने कितना अर्न किया है, क्योंकि इट मेक्स इट मोटिवेट मी कि यस,
Absolutely.
वन डे आई विल बी देयर. एंड दिस
Absolutely.
इज वन ऑफ द सिंपलेस्ट बिजनेस मॉडल आई हैव सीन, क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी देखे हैं, क्योंकि वही ना, कुछ करना है, कुछ करना है, कुछ करने के चक्कर में आप बहुत कुछ ट्राई कर चुके होते हो. लेकिन जो मैं अगर कंपेयर करूं, क्योंकि जो पहले कर चुका है और ये बिजनेस देखे ना और कंपेयर करें, तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बिजनेस मॉडल जहाँ पे आप बहुत आराम से कमा सकते हो स्ट्रेस फ्री. क्योंकि आधे से ज्यादा बर्डन तो सिस्टम ने ही ले रखा है, हम क्या करते हैं, कुछ नहीं उसके कंपैरिजन. तो इससे तो बेस्ट मॉडल कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. सो दिस इज अमेजिंग, अमेजिंग. एंड अभी आई थिंक वी, मतलब लाइक वट एवर द क्वेश्चन आई हैड मैंने आपसे पूछ लिया, आपने बहुत अच्छे से रिस्पॉन्स दिया. एंड थैंक यू सो मच अंजुम, मेरे चैनल पे आके लाइव आपने इतना अच्छा अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया. होपफुली मेरे व्यूअर्स को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, और अगर किसी ने ये पूरा वीडियो देखा तो डेफिनेटली वो तो ज्वाइन करेगा ही करेगा, या करेगी ही करेगी.
Absolutely.
So,
Thank you so much, Rina, for having me on your page. And I
it's
wish
my
you all the
pleasure.
best in the business, personally. All the best to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Let us know.